This is an Amber Alert. The Raytown Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at Quick Trip 9323 East Highway 350, Raytown, Missouri, at 7:56 p.m. on October 3rd, 2020. Abducted was an Xavier McKenzie, black male, 16. Suspect vehicle is a gray Chevrolet Malibu hatchback, last seen eastbound on Highway 350 from Quick Trip. The suspects are 3 black males who are believed to be armed. The victim, Xavier McKenzie, black male, 16, 6 feet, 120 pounds, last seen wearing a black hooded sweatshirt and blue jeans. Anyone seeing the victim, suspects, or vehicle, or anyone having any information related to the abduction should immediately dial 911 to contact the nearest law enforcement agency or call the Raytown Police Department at 816-737-6020.